Hello guys, this is Lone Rider here, and today I'm gonna show you the new hubs I bought for my old bike Saracen Cross 1. I bought these hubs 5 days ago and they're pretty new right now. I did some hard trail on them. As you can see, the condition of the bike ain't that much good. So after 200 kilos, let's see how it sounds right now. So here we go. As you can hear, I guess I am recording on my normal camera mic. I think you can hear this. I don't have any stand, so here we go.